Stick around to the end for a near collision. Let's start with some red light violations. But wait, there's more. Hey, I'm a VIP at this special event. I can run this red light. If someone in my lane were turning left, there could have been an accident here. The grass is greener on the other side until it isn't.
Whoa, Nelly!
Two traffic cheats jump into the merge lane only to have a close encounter with an ambulance. Watch the yellow truck. Now for a cutoff montage. Hey, how about a game of leapfrog? Bullnose violation. And yet again, a postal service vehicle in a no parking zone. This traffic cheat is on the wrong side of the road. Thanks to this bus driver in Hollywood, we're down to one lane now. Lane splitting is illegal in the state of Georgia. But wait, there's more. After a little lane splitting, doesn't everyone just run a red light? Bullnose violation. In America, we mostly drive on the right side of the road. Mostly. Bullnose violation. What the? And finally, watch the car behind me. I think I was paying more attention to what he was doing than he was. Yowie wowie, that was close. Now you decide to use the blinker.